Welcome to the Dogecoin Hardware Wallet Guide, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you secure your Dogecoin assets. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up and using a hardware wallet to store your Dogecoin. First, it is essential to understand what a hardware wallet is and how it works. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your cryptocurrency private keys offline, providing an additional layer of security against hacking and theft. When choosing a hardware wallet, consider factors such as compatibility, security features, and user interface. To get started, you will need to purchase a hardware wallet that supports Dogecoin. Some popular options include the Ledger Nano X and the Trezor Model T. Once you have your hardware wallet, follow the manufacturer's instructions to set it up and initialize it. Next, you will need to install the Dogecoin wallet software on your computer or mobile device. This software will allow you to interact with your hardware wallet and manage your Dogecoin assets. For example, you can use the official Dogecoin Core wallet or a third-party wallet such as Electrum. Now, let's move on to the process of sending and receiving Dogecoin using your hardware wallet. To send Dogecoin, simply open your wallet software, navigate to the Send tab, and enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to send. Your hardware wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction and enter your PIN. To receive Dogecoin, go to the Receive tab and generate a new address. You can then share this address with the sender, and the Dogecoin will be transferred to your hardware wallet. It is essential to keep your hardware wallet and wallet software up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. In addition to the basic functions, it is crucial to follow best practices to ensure the security of your Dogecoin assets. Always keep your hardware wallet in a safe and secure location, and never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Regularly back up your wallet and store the backup in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure online storage service. In conclusion, using a hardware wallet to store your Dogecoin is a secure and reliable way to protect your assets. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and use a hardware wallet to manage your Dogecoin and keep it safe from hacking and theft. Remember to always follow best practices and keep your hardware wallet and wallet software up to date to ensure the security of your Dogecoin assets.